So for today, we're going to learn how to use Google Meet and Zoom. For Google Meet, if you have a code already, go ahead and go to meet.google.com, then click join or start meeting and enter that code your teacher has given you. Click continue. It'll bring you to that meeting room. And if you do not have it, you're going to go ahead and go to that link, and you either copy or paste the link into a new tab, or you can right click the link and click go to, and it'll bring you straight to that link. And then once you're in there, you're going to go ahead and click join now. Once you click join now, you'll be joining the rest of your classmates in the meeting room, and you guys can go about with your lectures or any help that you need from your teacher. Next, if you're trying to use Zoom, you're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. Just copy and paste it, or go ahead and right click and click go to. And then once you're there, you're going to have to install that Zoom app. Once it's installed, this will pop up. Click open zoom.us and the application should pop up for you. And you click join with computer audio or join audio, and then you're going to go ahead and sit there, and you'll wait for the teacher to let you in. And once you're in, you're all set